So we start out today's video with this Ikea Hack DIY. This one involves some candle holders. So it looks like she is going to glue these together. And then of course she has some spray paint. And bam, wow, this is such an easy beginner friendly project, and this came out amazing. You're basically just stacking the candle holders and then spray painting them and giving them a whole new look. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some trending DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have a DIY reed diffuser. So I typically like to put these in the bathroom. I never thought about making my own though. So she's using coconut oil for the fragrance and essential oil. It probably smells so good. And then she painted the bottle. Very nice. I feel like that's a very easy, straightforward project. And then we have another Ikea hack. So this one involves some bowls. Now I feel like the color by itself, just the shiny black, would look great with a number of different projects. And then it looks like she does paint this. So I'm thinking that this is probably a candle holder. Yup, wow, very nice. Cool and simple DIY as well. So next up we have this Amazon bag. Oh, wow. I never would have thought that that was brown paper. That is crazy. Whoa, those look so good. They look so natural. Like they look like real foliage. Like that is crazy. Wow. Very cool. All Alright, so we have another Ikea hack. So this one uses an Ikea frame, but you can use any frame you want. You can grab it from the dollar store. It doesn't have to be from Ikea to make it magical. Oh, so she used that as like a nice little decorative tray. That's pretty creative. Wow. Very simple yet effective project idea. I love it. So she has like various pieces of jewelry here. You could also use this as like a table tray as you're like entering in the home and you want a place to like put your keys. I think that would be cute and decorative. Put a little vase on there. So next up we have some cupcake holders here. So it looks like she's using this as like a way to do like a molding. Doing different colors. And it looks like she's stacking them together and then making a candle holder. Oh, that's cute. I love the pastel colors too. It just kind of reminds me of like spring, and you know, it's also playing into that pastel color trend that's still going around. Very nice. Okay, so whenever we see the plant pots and we see some plates, we already know that this person is making a side table. I think if you follow this channel already, you've seen enough DIYs to know that. But I think that the plates in the middle is an interesting design. It kind of added another element. I like that. Very cool. Very nice. So functional too. You can use it as another plant pot, like for a more elevated look, or you can use it as a table. Okay, so I think we have a thrift flip here with this lamp. Going for that restoration hardware store look. Have you guys been in that place? It is just marvelous. Like, oh, it is unreal. So it looks like this person is just using several different colors of paint to create the texture. But I really like the concept of using like the baking soda and the dirt to really give it that nice texturized effect. This came out good though. Alright, so we have a little plant pot here. Looks like she's gonna cover this with the burlap fabric. I don't know why, but this is making me think of a coconut. Maybe I'm just hungry. Oh, very cute. I feel like this would be a nice little like spring project. So she's turning this into a candle. Yes, this looks like a coconut to me. I cannot be the only one seeing that. Like that just looks like a coconut. Actually, I've seen a coconut candle before and it looked very similar. So maybe that's why I'm thinking of that. Oh, wow. Look at this strawberry rug. This is creative. I've never seen anything like this before. That's cute. Oh, this looks like it would take a long time to do. The cat was already trying to get on it and use it. She's like, oh, that looks so cozy. Oh, that is just cute. I love the concept. I love the design. And the cat likes it as well. Very nice. Alright, so our last DIY is from Miguel. Check him out, guys. He has a YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, all of that. So it looks like he's working with paper mache here. Now this looks like a messy project. Okay, so he has a plate. And then obviously he's going to be shaping the paper mache material onto that. Now this, I feel like in itself could be something. Like it could be a little like table tray or something. You spray paint it a different color, make it look cute. But yeah, he ends up turning this into a clock. I love this idea. Very cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.